Hello friends, it is Shamini from the Two Short Stories Academy and I am one of the preschool teachers. Today we're going to be making some awesome sensory bottles, and not just any sensory bottles, but some weather sensory bottles. Whether you're talking about weather for the whole week or if it is a daily thing during circle time, these bottles are an awesome way to represent the weather in a creative and a visual way. So why use sensory bottles? Sensory bottles are an awesome way to be creative. Add whatever you would like inside a bottle, something liquidy, preferably so that it can go from one side to the other, but there are other materials that you can use. There is so much freedom with how you can use them and what goes in them. These can also help with regulating behavior and attention, focus, calming down by looking at how mesmerizing the glitter or whatever else that you put in is. They are nice and tangible. They can hold them, they can shake them, see what it looks like as they move them around. You can display them in the classroom, have them in a special sensory area, science area, bring them outdoors, see what it looks like when the sun shines through them. The different patterns that the glitter makes as you twirl them and turn them can be calming. Even seeing the different colors, the way the glitters move can be very relaxing. Not just for children, but for adults too. They are fun. So the fun thing about sensory bottles is that they're so simple to make because all you need is a bottle and the contents in it are all up to you. I decided why not talk about the changing seasons and the different weather that we see. Weather is something we talk about every day at Circle. What do we see outside the window? Is it a sunny day, a cloudy day? The awesome thing about sensory bottles too is that when you make them, they are such a hands-on experience that your children would love to be a part of. I enlisted the help of two of my preschool friends that you'll see in this video that helped me put together these bottles. It was fun getting messy and seeing how the end results looked. You're gonna see a lot of glitter in a lot of these bottles. Can't blame them. It makes it so much more fun to see and watch as they move around in the bottle. So let's make one together and see how that turns out. I have my water bottle here. I took off the label so that you can see the insides of it. And I'm gonna fill most of it up with water. I'm gonna leave a little bit of room so that when we shake it, we can see the contents going from side to side. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of room at the top here. So I have my bottle just with water right now. I'm gonna add some clouds to my bottle here. I have some clear beads in here. And I'm realizing I'm forgetting something really important that I'm sure my kids would want in here, and that's glitter. So I have glitter in my last sensory bottle now. So this one is for hail, which is why I have some glass beads in there, some of the black and white beads, the clouds, and some glitter. So I'm glad I brought these outside because they look really nice with the sun shining through them. Feel free to add some labels on it so it shows you what the weather is representing, or leave it clear so that you can see through the entire thing. One thing I do recommend is that you hot glue the lid onto the bottle so that there are no accidents, no spilling. And now we shall see how my preschool friends help me make some of my other ones.
When looking for materials for your bottles, feel free to look outside as well as within your own craft supplies. Here we have our items set up with a variety of glitters and pipe cleaners, cotton balls, the bottles, food coloring, and other embellishments that might come in handy. Here we are scooping in the water into the sensory bottles to form our base. Next up, we're adding a couple drops of food coloring to some of our bottles, shaking it up to mix the colors together, which of course is the best part. After the coloring has been mixed in, we're adding a variety of materials. We have some cotton balls that are forming clouds, we have leaves, and we have a giant pom-pom to represent our sun. We then work together to use some of the yellow pipe cleaners, cut them up, and bend them to form our lightning bolts. And lastly, we added an ample amount of glitter to all of our bottles, which I think they would agree was their favorite part. completed our bottles, we firmly closed them and shook it up to see what the final result was.
There's a snowstorm inside.
Here is the end result of our cloudy bottle. We have cotton balls that represent the clouds, tinted blue water to represent the sky, as well as lots of silver and blue glitter. We have our bright sunny day bottle with a giant yellow pom-pom to represent our sun, tinted blue water again, and lots of blue and silver glitter. We have our rainy day that is purely just glitter with blue water. We have our thunderstorm with our pipe cleaner lightning bolts, some clouds, and lots of blue and gold glitter. We have our fall time bottle with the leaves and the red and gold glitter. We have our hail bottle with the cotton ball clouds as well as clear, black, and white beads to represent the sound that blocks of ice would make as they fall from the sky. And lastly, we have our snowy day with the cotton ball clouds again, bunch of silver glitter, and blue and white pom-poms. Alrighty, that is the end of our video for today. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to see more videos, and check out our Instagram page for more content from the Two Short Stories Academy. Bye-bye! See you next time!